You drag your first clip onto the timeline, hit play, and it stutters. Frames drop, the fans scream. Resolve leans hard on your GPU. With 8 gigs of RAM, an integrated GPU, and a slow drive, it's under pressure before you start. Newer isn't always better. On weak hardware, a stable, slightly older version often runs smoother than the latest. Before you edit, close background apps, switch to high-performance power, and update your GPU drivers. Storage speed matters more than people think. Keep your cache and active projects on a fast SSD. The biggest one, lower your timeline resolution. Edit on 1080, you can still export a clean 4K at the end. Make proxies, low-res copies for smooth editing. Resolve swaps back to the full clips when you export. H.264 and HEVC are brutal to edit. For phone footage, transcode to an editing codec like ProRes or DNxHR. Let Smart Cache pre-render the heavy parts. When you see blue lines on the timeline, it's got you. And work smarter. Cut first, color later, save fusion for the end, and keep your interface lean. But there's a limit. When your hardware starts shaping your creative choices, you've hit the ceiling. That's where Vagon Cloud Computer helps. Resolve runs on its cloud GPU, not your laptop. An RTX at 10G and 24 gigs. Jump on, pick a machine, and your cloud computer boots in seconds. Install DaVinci Resolve in one click, straight from the app catalog. And your projects and media stay in the cloud with Vagon files, ready in every session. This is Vagon Cloud Computer, a real GPU workstation right in your browser. Create a Vagon account and scale your power only when you need it.